All right, Carnival Panorama room 11274. Let's take a look. It's a standard balcony stateroom aboard Carnival Panorama. Let's unpack and choose fun. Let's go straight out to the balcony and check this out first. Not a single cloud in the sky today at lovely Long Beach, California. Very nice. Getting ready to embark down to Mexico. This standard balcony stateroom comes equipped with 2 chairs and a table to help you relax and enjoy the scenery. Let's go back in and check out the room. Stateroom comes with a decent sized flat screen TV, and over here in the corner is the light switch for the balcony. So depending on what you choose, this bed does convert into 2 separate twin beds. Right now it's a king size bed, and this room actually sleeps 3, so the couch would be the 3rd bed for the 3rd person. On both sides of the bed you'll find nightstands, and each have a small cubby in the bottom. They do have reading lights that are attached to the nightstand so they don't fall, but it doesn't look like there's any plugins of any sort for charging phones. And I really do like that Carnival provides this mat on the bed for unpacking your suitcases so you don't get your bed all dirty from the filthy suitcases. Underneath the bed there's good ample space to store your suitcases to keep them out of the way. Over here you have a small desk with a drawer with a hairdryer inside. There's also a small mini fridge to store a few beverages to keep them cool. And on top you'll find the phone for the stateroom, a couple USB charging ports, and some plugins. You have US and European style plugins for charging whatever device you might bring with. Each day of your cruise you'll be supplied with a Fun Times pamphlet, which basically tells you what's going on the ship each day of your cruise. There's also a few more shelves that go up right here in the corner, which provide extra space for storing. Now over here is the 3rd optional bed, which is originally a couch, but it does convert to a bed. Since we have 3, we use the couch for a sleeping area. Over on the left you'll find your closet space. In this door you have many shelves and drawers, and also a safe. And in these 2 doors you'll find hangers and plenty of room to hang up anything you need to hang. These also work well for storing your suitcases. Outside of your cabin bathroom you'll find a thermostat and also a light switch that will turn on and off the lights of the bathroom. And inside the bathroom it is a step up, so watch your step. It's not a big bathroom, but it's big enough to fit 1 person sort of comfortably, but it has everything you need. Comes complete with a sink, shelving, plenty of shelving, hangers for towels, extra space to store toilet paper and tissues, garbage can. Here's the shower. It does have a shower curtain and a detachable shower head. They also provide shampoo and soap. If you didn't bring some, they do have it in the shower. There's also a retractable clothesline in here in case you need it to dry off your swimsuit, towels, whatever you need. Well, that wraps up the tour of Carnival Panorama room 11274. Again, this is a standard balcony stateroom. We are seeking paradise together, and thank all of you for tuning in. Please subscribe to our channel, give us a thumbs up, and share this video with others. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.